Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Billal here. I've been asked to make this video. The topic is Eid. I've got 3 messages for you. This Eid, don't go visiting, practice social distancing. Firstly, an update. There's been around 60,000 excess deaths in the last few weeks. So these are deaths in addition to the normal death rate for this time of year. Around 3,000 to 4,000 new cases of COVID every day, around 400 to 500 deaths daily. The Northwest has currently got the highest number of COVID cases in the UK. Fortunately, our community has avoided the brunt of this, unlike the Midlands and in London. Over 280 healthcare workers have lost their lives, some of whom me and my colleagues knew. So at this moment in time, as much as we would love to celebrate Eid like we do normally, it's not the right time, and we do not want to put our family members, the vulnerable amongst our community, and our loved ones at risk. Why is it more important amongst our community? Number 2, we know that the Black and Asian population do far worse if infected with COVID, with a death rate up to 3 times higher. In addition, we live in large extended families with parents and grandparents, and we have quite large family gatherings over Eid. So if one member of the gathering is infected with COVID, potentially that person could pass it on to several people in the same gathering, putting the people at the gathering at risk. Thirdly, what's the advice for Eid? So this Eid, avoid family gatherings, pray at home, practice social distancing. Don't give hugs because you might spread bugs. Let's not become part of the second wave. No, we all want to meet our family members, and inshallah in a few weeks that will be possible, but we just need a bit more patience. We all have to encourage each other to protect our loved ones. Finally, a message for a few days' time. A very big Eid Mubarak to all of you, and remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum.